Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the trigger on your Dyson SV14. First, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Set the screws aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You will see the battery inside. To remove the battery, press the release button and pull it out carefully. If you need assistance with this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, focus on the trigger mechanism. You will notice a small panel that houses the trigger. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry open this panel. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the panel is open, you will see the trigger assembly. To remove the trigger, locate the small screws holding it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these screws and set them aside. Gently pull the trigger out of its housing. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Before installing the new trigger, take a moment to clean the internal area where the trigger sits. Use a soft cloth or a small brush to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure that the new trigger operates smoothly. If you don't have the tools for this cleaning, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the housing. Press it into place, firmly but gently. Once it's seated correctly, replace the screws you previously removed to secure the trigger. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the plastic. Next, reattach the panel you pried open earlier. Ensure it clicks back into place securely. If you have any questions during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer quotes before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, reinsert the battery into its compartment. Make sure it clicks into place. Replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Once everything is back in place, plug in your vacuum and test the new trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this repair yourself, remember that we offer no calls, no travel services to make your life easier. Simply contact us and we'll take care of the rest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.